Hi friends, this is Robin. I am a Oracle trainer and Oracle and Unix technology trainer. I provide training on Oracle different modules like Oracle architecture and database design, Oracle SQL complete SQL course, Oracle PL/SQL programming complete PL/SQL programming course, and also I provide training for Unix shell scripting course. Okay. So in my YouTube channel RK SoftAcademy, I have provided I already uploaded many videos for free for your learning. If you watch my videos, you can learn many things from my videos. So just for introduce you who are joining new in my channel or who are watching this video new. For the first time, I just want to introduce with my videos what are videos in my channel. My channel name is RK SoftAcademy, as you seen here. Okay. And whatever videos, video and tutorials are there, I am just give a brief description of those videos. This is the Oracle SQL course, and you can learn SQL complete SQL course. You can watch this video, and the Oracle is very just for the introduction. Oracle is a database who actually not a background for computer science, or who have no knowledge about the database, or who have no database background. For those students or professionals or any person who are interested to learn Oracle technology, for them I want to introduce some points here. Oracle is a database management system, and it is a relational database management system, and it is invented by Oracle. So there is a software basically to organize data and information in a database system. So these Oracle technologies have the many tools and programming techniques. So SQL is a tool to actually manipulate database data, creation of database objects, and database design. We can do using the Oracle SQL tool. Okay, so you can watch this video for a detailed detailed description and all the things whatever we can do with SQL. Okay. And this is the Oracle constraints. So these are two parts, and these are very important concept, Oracle constraints. There are many Oracle constraints. So I have discussed all the Oracle constraints in this video. This is the first part, and this is the second part. So I have actually shown the in practical how this constraint have been implemented in business software development. Okay, you just watch one by one so that you can understand and get the clear idea and details. Okay. And this is the Oracle SQL from basic to advanced level discussion. You just watch this video, and this video is for Oracle PL/SQL programming. You can just watch this out, and you will get to know about the PL/SQL. What is PL/SQL and what we can do with PL/SQL, and every discussion is in between in this video. So you just complete you just watch video completely so that you can understand well about the topics and discussions. And this is the database management system. Who are new in database who have no idea about the database or database management system, they can watch these two videos who are new means new to learn Oracle database or any database management system, you just watch these two videos. This is the first part, that is introduction to the DBMS, that is database management system. You will get to know what is data, what is database, what is database management system, what is relational database management system, and how companies or business use their application or manage the data using the database management system. Okay. So in this two video, all those things are discussed and in detail, so you can watch out one by one. This is part 1 and this is part 2. Okay. And I have uploaded tutorial of many advanced topics for Oracle PL/SQL programming, and that is Oracle cursors. This is very important topics and programming techniques. You will watch this video and you will get to know everything about the cursors, how we can use the cursor for our programming, and what is the benefit of using cursor. So everything is discussed in this video. Okay. So watch this video completely and you will get to learn about everything about the cursors. And this is the Oracle PL/SQL programming techniques, that is exceptions, how we can handle exception in PL/SQL programming. You will get to know everything about this video in this video. Okay. Just watch all the videos completely this so that you can learn many things and learn in detail the topics. And this is the many very important in Oracle PL/SQL programming, that is Oracle collections. And you will get to know about what is collection, what are various types of collections, how they can be used in your PL/SQL programming. So you will just watch this video completely and you will know about collection in detail. And this is the about my learning about my training website. So I provide training on many, as I said at the starting, I provide training for many for various Oracle and Unix technologies and also web technologies. So watch this out the video, and my website is there, and I have shown how you can join my live session or online courses. There are many courses on Oracle and Unix technologies and also web technologies. You can join as per your choice and interest. Okay. So in this video you will get my website. That website name is https://www.rksoftacademy.com, the same name as my YouTube channel, RK SoftAcademy.com. Okay. So you get to know about various courses on Oracles and also Unix and web technologies. And you can join my online training sessions, interactive training sessions, and you will find the content for each courses and also other details. Okay. And this is the JavaScript course. I also provide the JavaScript training, and you can watch out this. And this is the Oracle advanced topics about Oracle arrays, and there are various arrays in Oracle. You can just watch out this video and you will get to know everything about array in detail. And this is the explain plan. So this is for performance tuning, and this is also for Oracle PL/SQL programming. And explain plan is very important to for performance tuning. So in this video you will get to know what is explain plan, how explain plan is used for performance tuning, and the use of explain plan in performance tuning. Okay. So you can watch this out to know about detail. Okay. And this is the many very advanced topics in Oracle PL/SQL programming. This is materialized view. and this is in two part. I have discussed the materialized view and their use and their how they are beneficial for Oracle programming and their use. Okay, so you just watch part 1 and part 2 in sequence, and you'll get to know about everything about the materialized view. Okay, and this is the also an advanced topics, that is PL/SQL record. Oracle for Oracle programming, PL/SQL record is very important. There are 3 parts of this tutorial series, and you just watch out one by one. You will get to know about detail. And there is SQL fundamental course. This video is for SQL fundamental course. You will just know about all the fundamental in SQL, so you just watch out this video and you will get to know about all the fundamentals about the SQL, that is structured query language. Okay, this is the Oracle SQL demo session, and if you want to if you want to know about the content, what is the SQL course is about, you can just watch this out. And this is the demo session for SQL, and this is the demo session for SQL PL/SQL programming, Oracle PL/SQL programming. So you can watch out and you will get to know about the details, what is PL/SQL and what can we can cover within the PL/SQL. Okay, programming. Okay, and this is for the database administration. I also provide training for DBA course, and this is for the advanced level database architecture, has been discussed in this video, and also DBA fundamentals has been discussed in this video. You just watch this out and you will get to know about the internal database architecture, also database DBA fundamentals. Okay, and as I told you, I also provide training for Unix programming course, and this is the tutorial for Unix fundamentals and shell programming. You can watch this out to know about the various concepts and their use in Unix. So all the fundamentals topics I have discussed in Unix here, and also so I have discussed with the shell programming techniques, various shell programming techniques. Okay, you just watch the video completely from the start to end, and you get to know many things in these videos. Okay, so if you want to join my online training session, you just can contact me as the thumbnail shows. There are contact number also, the WhatsApp number also mentioned, and contact number also mentioned. You can just contact me or WhatsApp me, or you can email me also. Email is mentioned in below the description section. Whenever you are watching the video, in the below there is a description section, and in the description section you will get the email ID. You can just email me about your training requirement, or you can WhatsApp me to get more details from me, and when you can just want to join the online training course of your in which course you are interested for, and I will start that course as per our convenience. Okay, so that's all for this session. I just introducing you about my YouTube channel and about my courses, all the courses, and hope you will watch all the videos, and you will, if you will want to join my course, you just contact me or email me so that I can start the course immediately as soon as possible. And that's all. Just like this video if you like my tutorial, and after watching my tutorial, if you like that tutorial video, and if you learn something, you just like it and subscribe my channel. So that's all from my side for this session, and thank you very much for